Right now you can see that I'm on my Android device right now, and I've installed the Opencart Marketplace Multi-Vendor Marketplace application that you can see on the top left hand corner here. That has a blue color in the background and looks like a store. After the installation of this particular application on your mobile device, now you can access the marketplace functionality there. Basically, the vendors of the marketplace would be able to log into the account panel, and similarly the customers would also be able to do the same, and the customers can manage their account using the mobile app, and same goes for the marketplace sellers as well. And as we are using the website for placing the orders, now the customers can make use of this particular application for placing the orders on the move using their mobile devices. So let's open the Opencart Marketplace Multi-Vendor Marketplace application. So I'll just tap on that, and the app is coming up. So you can see this is the Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace application, and here right now I'm at the main page that opens up, and on the left hand side at the top we have three horizontal lines. If I tap on that, we'll be able to see this particular section come around, and it has basically different categories that the marketplace admin has created. So here you have the shop for, and then clothes, gaming zones, and the others. Apart from that, you can also see that we have the language option, and the application basically supports LTR and RTL languages as well, and the users can also change the currency as per their own requirement there. Apart from that, we also have the seller page at the end that you can see here. So right now we have not logged into our customer account, so let me go back. Within this application, at the top you can see we have different banners. Then we have the categories below that are having the images in a circular form, so we can access these categories from here. Then we have the popular product section. As you can see, just above this Apple Cinema, which is on sale, we have the popular products, and they are being displayed here. So you can see that right now 5 popular products are being displayed. To check the complete list of popular products, we can tap here on the view all option, and that will bring up all of the what we say as the popular products, and would be then be displayed to the user of the mobile application. So let's go back, and below the popular products we have the best products. As you can see, one product is there, and if I tap to the right on the view all button, that's just next to the best products here, that would display the complete list of best products. And then we also have the featured products, as you can see here. And to check the complete list, you can tap here on the view all button, and that would bring up the complete list of the featured products within the marketplace itself. And then we have the latest products. As you can see, the users can also browse by the brands. To view a complete list of the brands, just tap here on the view all button. Otherwise you can choose or tap anyone. For example, if I tap here on the Palm, the products under that particular brand would be displayed. Let's go back. The same goes for the other ones as well. I tapped on the HTC, and the products under that have been displayed. And lastly, we have the recently viewed products that the users have just checked out, and you can see that we have reached the bottom of the page. And now to go back at the top, just tap here on the back to top button in the black that you can see, and we'll be taken up to the particular section. And here the customers can also search for the products by tapping here on the search icon, and then they can basically enter their product name. So for example, if I enter Apple and then I tap here on the search button, you can see all of the products that are with the Apple are being displayed here depending on the query that we have entered. So from here the users can sort the products by tapping here on the sort by option, and you can sort depending upon the price, high to low, low to high, ratings, highest ratings, the name A to Z and Z to A. If I tap Z2A, all right, let's go back. So that's how we can search the products as well, and then you can see the recent search as well that has been done by the user. And let's go back. So on the bottom left hand side we have this home page of this application. Then we have the category, notifications, and the profile. So if I go to the category, it would display all of the available categories that are available within the Opencart Multimedia Marketplace application itself for the web store. And from here the customers can check the products under each of these categories by tapping them up. So under the clothings, you can see that we have different subcategories as well. To view all the clothings, you can tap here on the view all clothes. Otherwise you can navigate to the women or the men. Let's go to men, and the products under that are 3, and they'll be displayed up to the customer. And from here or on any of the search pages, the customer or the users can filter it out using the color and the other options for the product. So you just need to choose that up, and for example, if I choose it as red and apply that up, and if there's a product that's in red, okay, so we have filtered out the product. We can also filter the products on the search page as well. So that was about the category. Now under the notifications, the customers would be able to see all of the push notifications that the web store owner has sent out to the app users, and from here they can access the particular discounts as well. So here we have a 20% discount. So if I tap on that, it would basically redirect us to the particular product that the admin has set up for that particular discount. And then from there the customers can choose the product and can make it check out, thereby getting the discounts for the same. So let's go back now, and that was the notification section. And lastly we have the profile. So right now I've logged into my customer account. So here you can see at the top we have the my wish list, address book, and the orders. Then we have the customer account, my dashboard, edit account information, change password, my downloadable products, your reward points, your transactions. Apart from that, as a seller can also be a customer. So we also have this particular marketplace vendor options like the add product list, seller page, seller dashboard, seller orders, and lastly we have the log out button. So for the timing, I'll just log out of that particular account. So now if I go back to my profile, you can see that we can sign into our account by login or by using the social networks. Otherwise we can start afresh with the store itself by tapping on the sign up button, and that brings up the registration section wherein you need to enter your details, and then you'll be logged into your account within the Opencart Multimedia Marketplace web store. And if you already have an account, you can just tap here on the login button, enter your username, password, tap here on the sign in button, and you'll be logged into the store itself. Now let me show you how we can change the language. So if I choose Arabic, you'll be seeing that the complete store goes from LTR to RTL. Now you can see that all of the products are being displayed from right to left, and the home screen or the home page is on the bottom right hand side, and the profile one is on the lower left hand corner. And for example, if I go to a product, we'll see all of the details here in Arabic itself, as you can see right now. So you can add to a cart or you can make a checkout as well. So if we tap here, the product would be added to the cart. If I tap on the cart, you can see the details within the cart itself, and within the cart the customers can apply any of the coupon codes that they have. Otherwise they can also change the number of or the quantity of the product. They can delete that app, or they can add this particular to wish list by tapping here on the heart icon that you can see. So let's go back, and now let me change the language, and for that I'll just tap here on the and from here we'll just choose English, and the language would again be changed up. Now let's go to the profile. Now let me place one order first, and then we'll see the rest of the things. So but before that, let me show you my wish list. So we just added the Apple product. So that Apple Cinema is here, as you can see, and the rest of the wishlist products. And from here, the customers can remove or add these products to cart to make a checkout. Under the address books, you can edit any of the already edited addresses, or you can edit them up by tapping the edit button. And you can also automatically fetch your location by tapping on the fetch your location option. And to add a new address, just tap here on the add new address. You can enter the details of your new address and then save the address there. And now comes the my orders, and here the customers can find all of the orders along with the details. So here we have the shipping, the payment method used, the product, the model, the subtotal, and the rest of the order details are there as well. Now let's place an order. So for that, I'll just go to the home screen, and let me purchase this $123 phone that we have. So I'll just open that up. And before that, one more thing is that you can also change the currency. So let's change it to euro. And now let's place the order for the phone itself. So you can see that the currency has also been changed. From here, you can add it to your wish list. You can add the quantity. You can check the description of this particular product, its features, if any, added, and the related products as well. So I'll just tap the buy now button or add to cart first. It depends upon your requirement there. So let me go to the cart page, and here we already have two products. So let me remove this Apple Cinema, and right now I don't have any coupons there, and the total is 208 euros. And we'll just proceed further now by tapping here on the proceed to checkout button. We'll just choose our shipping address, and on the next section we'll choose our shipping method, and then we'll choose our payment method. I'll be choosing it as cash on delivery, and then I'll just tap here on the continue button. And lastly, we'll review the order with the details, and we'll tap here on the continue button to successfully place the order using the mobile application itself. After placing the order, the customers can tap here on the profile, my orders, view details. So here we have the product that we purchased, iPhone 4S, and the amount along with the payment method and the shipping method as well. Now this order when placed, this vendor of the marketplace can check the order that has been placed for his product, and for that the seller can go to the seller order that you can see here. So I'll just tap that up, and the same order would be displayed here under the seller's product purchase history. So here we have the order number 511, and if I tap here on the view button, we'll see the details of the product. And apart from that, sellers can also filter their products using the order ID, date edit, or the order status. For example, if we choose it as alright, we have 4 denied, failed, pending, or we can choose it as processing, and tap here on the submit button, and according to that the orders, and there after that he can check the details of the orders as well. So if I let's go to the my dashboard for the customer, and here you can see that we have the address details and the my orders as well. If I tap that brings up the complete details of the orders that we have just placed. And from here you can edit your account information, change your first name, last name, your telephone number, and you can also change your password from here using the mobile application. You can check your downloadable products as well, if any are available there that you've downloaded, and you can check your reward points as well, if any, and you can also check your transactions here. So the transactions are basically for the marketplace sellers that has the description for the order of that particular vendor and the amount as well. And here now let's go to the seller's end. Here we have the add product option to add a new product within the Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace web store. And to add a new product, you can go through all of these sections here, or the boxes that you can see, like general. Under general, you can enter the name of the product, its description, meta tag, keyword, product. Then tap here on the save and continue, and then that would navigate you to the data section. Then you have under the data, you can set up the model, SKU, MPN, location, price, and the other data. You can also set up the links. Apart from that, you can also add or create the attributes for the product. You can set up the options as well, and you can add multiple images as per your requirement. And lastly, you just need to tap on the save and continue button to save your particular product. Now to check the product list, you just tap here on the product list, and that will bring up the complete list of your products that you've added within the marketplace itself. And from here you can edit or delete any of the products. So if I tap here on the edit button, we have these sections. I'll just tap here on the general. So now you can see how we can do this. And according to the store views as well, you can set it up. For Arabic, I'll just tap here and we'll have the conversions for that automatically. So like that, you can edit it and tap save and continue. Then we come to the data section. From here you'll be able to set up the different details, tax classes, the images. Tap save and continue. You'll then be taken to the other section for the products, that's the links. Save and continue. You'll be navigated to the attributes, save and continue, options, then the discount and the special price, images, and lastly tap on the save and continue button to make the changes to your product itself. And to add the special price, just tap here on the add icon, and then you can set up the details. Similarly for the discounts, you can add more details for the discounts as well for the product. For the attributes, just tap here on the add and set up the attributes as well. So that was about how we can edit the products for the vendors. And then we have the seller page, and all right, it's asking for the location, so I'll just choose this one. So here on the seller page, you can see the long time sellers. You can tap here on the view all to view the complete list of sellers of the marketplace. You can check the latest products, and you can add the products from here to your cart. Depends upon your requirement there, and the rest of the products as well. So the seller page has all of the marketplace sellers. Let's go back. Then we have the seller dashboard. So basically it displays your income, your total orders, total sales, and your total buyers. You can tap here on the world map, and that shows your location. Your latest orders are visible under this particular section. Then we have the seller order that we already seen, and it has your orders that have been placed for your products that you edit under your own account for the Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace web store. And lastly, we have the log out option to log out of the account. So this particular account was of the seller, who's also a customer. So I just showed you the customer account options, this vendor account options, how we can add product, how we can check the product list, the seller page, dashboards, how we can place the order, change the language, change the currency, and the address details as well, how to check the notifications that the admin sent out, how we can make use of it to add and get a discount by placing the orders using these, the category section, the home section, and this side panel as well for checking the categories and the language and currency. So that was much about it. And before we proceed further, let me show you one thing more. So let's go to the view all section for the featured products, and you can also add the products to your wish list by tapping on the heart icon and from this section. And to filter, just tap here on this black bottom right corner. You can see this black circle with the left and right arrows. Just tap that up, and then you can sort the products. For example, price low to high. So the lowest is 16, then we have 59, then 168. I can do it as high to low. Now we can see that just a second. Okay, now the highest price, then the lowest, then the lowest, then the lowest. So it goes like that. So lastly, to log out, just tap here on the log out button, and you'll be logged out of your account. To log in again, just tap here on the profile button, and you'll have the login screen once again. So that was much about the Opencart Marketplace multi-vendor marketplace app, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular mobile application. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.